Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use unique column with soft delete properly. So I will show you what is the issue with that and how can we resolve it. So let's get started with the example. So let me go to my code and you can see that I fresh Laravel downloaded, and into the users table I simply define the soft deletes. So if I go here into the database, at the end you can see deleted at, and I simply created a three records. Now let me remove the first row. You can see hardik at the gmail.com. So let me go to the code. Okay, into the controller I will simply remove that email. Okay, so if I go and hardik at the gmail.com and simply delete it. Okay, and now if I go and let me run that route, so I already created users, you can see done. And if I go here and if I hit a browser, you can see it's removed properly. Okay, so now let me create user with the same email. That means like super admin remove this email and like same user wants to again register, then it's allowing or not. So let me go here and let me comment it out, and user create, and then I will say name. I will define the name for now, and then I will define email. I will use the same email, okay, because a registered user will try with the same email. So I will go and password and bcrypt, and I will define 12345 6 for now. Okay, semicolon, and I will use $user, and if I go here $user. Now save it and let me go and run again. If I click on it, you can see that duplicate entry. So they are not allowing the same email again because we set up the unique column over there. Okay, so that means how we can prevent it, because sometime by mistake user like register and super admin remove it, and then they want to register again. Then what we have to do with this? So we can do it with the unique column, but we can define we can define a virtual column. So let me go and giving you the solution for that. So let me go here and I will take another column here, and that will be a boolean, and I will say like active, and I will say virtual as, and here I will be add one condition like if, that will be a MySQL condition, like deleted underscore at is null, then it will be a one, otherwise it will be a null. So I will simply save it, and now I will be define the unique column. So unique, I will simply copy from here, and I will be define email and then active column, and I will be save it. Okay, and I will remove unique from here. Okay, now if I go and let me simply refresh the migration. So let me go and php artisan migrate refresh. Okay, so that means refresh all the tables. And now if I go here into the database, you can see that if I go, you can see that users email active emails. Okay, so now let me create okay one user. So let me run serve it. Okay, and now let me run same query again. If I hit refresh, you can see it created a one user. So now if I go here and browse, you can see that hardik at the gmail.com and then active one. Okay, deleted. Now let me remove this email now. Okay, if I go here and let me comment it out again and let me enable this one. Okay, so that means that remove the users. Okay, so I will simply done and run again. Yep, if I go here browse, you can see that it's fillable, the deleted at column, and active will be null. Okay, now let me create a duplicate email. That means create a new user with the same email, that what we did before. Okay, so go here, let me comment it out, save it, and I will say like user. And now if I go and simply hit refresh, you can see it allows us to create the duplicate records, so like duplicate emails. So if I go here, you can see but you can see that here is the null, but it's only active one. So now you can see that what we added in the migration, like if there is a deleted is null, then it will be a one, otherwise it will be a null. So because of these things, it's working. Okay, so you can see that same thing. Let me remove it again. So if I go here and simply do it again and simply refresh it, user undefined, but it's removed properly. So if I go here, you can see that it's removed. So now let me create again the same record with the same email. So if I go here and comment it out and now refresh again, you can see that it's allow the same email with the new user. So you can see that you don't have to worry about that, like once a user will remove and create a separate table and records and all the things you can, they allow unique column with the soft delete. Okay, so I hope this video helps you to improve your knowledge. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe me. Thank you so much for watching.